think that in order to make a meal tonight, would you ever go back to the bin and take out all the garbage you actually dumped last night or maybe this morning? Would you ever do that? No. Hey everyone, this is Shreya Batra and I welcome you all to day 8 of 14 Day Self-Love Challenge. So today we are going to talk about making healthy choices in our lives, and it's time again to self-reflect that because I am learning to love myself, am I making healthy choices? Am I actually thinking about certain patterns or certain people in my life or my work? Is it actually helping me grow? I'm not talking about being positive or negative. I'm just talking about growth, because growth, somewhere when I am when I am actually feeling a lot of negativity from one sphere or from anyone, that is actually helping me grow further. It's in a way helping me deal with the situation, which in a way helps me grow. Just think that in order to make a meal tonight, would you ever go back to the bin and take out all the garbage you actually dumped last night or maybe this morning? Would you ever do that? No. And most of the times we dwell in the past and we think over it, we overthink over it. I do it a lot of times, but then I remind myself that I should let things go. And I think it's a practice which you all do. It's a practice which you learn this art by practicing only. It doesn't happen in a day, because we all have a certain kind of pattern and certain kind of functionality. So in order to change that, it requires a lot of effort. Making healthy choice doesn't only mean eating healthy. It is also choosing healthy thoughts. And if I am cleaning my room and I have enough sense that the things which I'm not using, I must take it out and maybe give it to someone or maybe dump them. I will never keep unnecessary things in my room if I'm cleaning it. Why would I keep certain things? So again, when I was thinking about it, I realized somewhere we all hold on to certain things, maybe grudges, maybe our past, maybe to people in our life, because we don't want to let go. But is it really a healthy choice for me? Is it really helping me grow? Is it really helping me be a better person? And it's time to self-reflect, and it's easier said than done because it's a challenge. There's a reason that I kept 14-day self-love challenge, not a course, not a not some other thing, but it's a challenge. And challenge is something which takes effort, which is not easy. So let's ask ourselves today that am I really making healthy choice in my life, or am I just going with the flow? Going with the flow is also an option, but to be very honest, if going with the flow has been going on for so long, it's time for you to stop, self-reflect, and let go of things in your life. Because it will only hold you back, and it will not help you move forward. It will not help you be you. You will be pretending every time. So yes, start making healthy choices in your life. And even I am trying that. I haven't reached there, and I think that it's a lifelong process. It is not that I have just decluttered one thing in my life and now I'm just all good. No, I think it's an ongoing process, and it will keep on going. So there are a lot of things regarding self-love which we have to do on a daily basis, every day, and be mindful of who we are talking to and where we are spending time, and is it really a source of my growth, or I am just holding on to it out of fear and somewhere out of my own anxiousness. So let's do that. Let's do this thing and understand and write down, as make the pointers so that I am able to work on it every day and take one thing at a time. You don't have to, cover the entire list in one day. You have to work on them one by one, and give it some time, because things take time to change. And be very mindful and very kind to yourself amidst this process. I hope all of you are doing well. I will see you guys with another video soon. I will try to post it as soon as possible, and I'll try to push myself and at the same time be mindful enough and kind to myself. So that's my healthy choice for today, and I have been working on it. So what is your healthy choice? You can, mention all of that in the comment section. And please like, subscribe, and share my channel.